And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Puppy here. As you can see, we got a little bit more bandsaw work to do. I got a mark here and a mark here. Now, first thing I'm going to do is adjust my blade guide down. And 1, 2, 3, let's go! That's a one cut. Now here comes the next cut. Ta-da! Let me put my shirt on here. Turn the camera over so I can talk at you a moment. Here we go. There. Hair out of eyes. Pull shirt down. There we go. Hi. I bet you're wondering what this is for and why Poppy would be cutting steel. Why, huh? Inquiring minds want to know? Well, give me a moment here. Just crap out the way. Now that would, there we are. This would have very good starts for a hold down clamp for my shear line milling machine. Okay. And I may make some out of the remnants of this thing someday. But for right now, oh. I don't really have a heavy hammer there. Okay. Ah. Hey, I know I got a hammer out here. If I had a hammer in my hand, I'd be banging. Oh, I think I see one. Yeah. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a slight bend here. And not quite square. Of course! Isn't that always the way? Just a little too much. Oh! That's not supposed to happen. No, you go on that way. You can't see what I'm checking it against. Back over here behind the camera. It's a kind of a little secret. Hey. I think maybe I should stop using this hammer. What do you think? And obviously don't want to behave. And besides, it's too light to begin with. Well, let's see. That leaves only one alternative. You call that a hammer? That's not a hammer. Now that's a hammer. That's closer. Okay. Well, that's getting pretty close. I think one more. Yeah. Hey, That's a pretty close approximation to 90 there. Now, where is the rule? Where did I put the rule? That's back over here. Or is it under here? Let's look under here. No, it's not under there. Okay. Ah. Okay. Now, big piece of steel. And now, you may be asking yourself, I've been hoping you've been asking, what's it about, Poppy? Huh? You're asking, what's it about, Poppy? Why are you flailing away at this unfamiliar material? See this? Shear line headstock motor bracket. This is the second one. The first one bent when I dropped this on my foot. Hurt that more than my foot. I had to buy this one. And when I put it on, it went snap. No, it went snap right here. The little dog ear came off. No more. Steel. Okay. You could probably guess, there we are, what the lines, what the Sharpie marks are about. Zoom out. So I'll find the center line, drill holes for these screws, drill holes these screws can go through. And I may need to put a shim back here. And again, maybe not. Anyway, so there it is, gang. 4 holes. And I'll bolt it up. Round this off a little bit so it's not dangerous. I think I might leave it out here in case I want some place to attach something. Like a mistogen. Some super duper laser inspection tool that'll come down the road 2 years from now and everyone will be lusting after it. Who knows? Anyway, good night from California. This has been Poppy's Workshop, and as you can see, we're in the shop for about 5 more minutes, then bang.